of Vanguard Productions.
Won't stop, will not kill him. Fill him with venom, send him to hell or heaven. Getting shit done here, but I gotta stop bitching and wishing. Shit man, within, exploding emotions, ripping shit apart. Can't stop this monster within. Giving a curse and a gift, but I didn't want them. I tried to give them back, but I couldn't. They wouldn't take them. Shaken, breaking, awakened, mistaken as a beast, but I'm not Satan. I'm just filled with a little bit of hatred. Sometimes I just cannot take it, and that's when the doubt kicks in, and I start thinking that I will not make it. This smile, sorry, sometimes I fake it, but you can't blame me for this fucking world that changed it. Exploding emotions I hold in my heart. Exploding emotions I could never get out. Exploding emotions, do you wanna feel them now? Exploding emotions, I should never kept them around. Holding emotions that explode and blow and grow, then go again. Lower than the flow is my insides are cold. This flow is like the ocean's motion. Tidal waves rise high as the clouds floating. With the broken standing up to the fixed, so them we ain't blow them. The blow them is where they'll be going. I'm still hoping and waiting to see the day we all reunite, cause alone I feel like I'm the only one. The wrong I never run from, the good I sometimes ignore and treat them like they the bad guys who gon' do something dumb. Exploding emotions I hold in my heart. Exploding emotions I could never get out. Exploding emotions, do you wanna feel them now? Exploding emotions, I should never kept them all around. Exploding emotions I hold, my feelings are told. I let them out before they even reach my soul. I got a goal to reach and I'll get it, to see it and touch it all. And I know I will get there, I won't stop until I do. And that's still a long road ahead of me, so here I might as well enjoy myself. I'm only 20 years old and already what I wanna be. And I got here with no one's help. I didn't need no one else, but sometimes we all need a hand when it's hard and it feels like the devil got your soul and nothing feels real. Exploding emotions I hold in my heart. Exploding emotions I could never get out. Exploding emotions, do you wanna feel them now? Exploding emotions, I should never kept them all around. I just wanna walk around with my head down. I've been down and went down. I just wanna walk around with my head down. I've been down and went down. I just wanna walk around with my head down. I've been down and went down.